I got it. All right. Back. Yeah, all right. Leave the last guy. Yeah, I got it. Offsides are some dumb shit, I'm sure. Something stupid. Yeah, I'm working on it. Leave the last guy. Yeah, Kenny, come left, left, Kenny, go, up now. Left. God damn it.
Hey! Hey, we don't have to score right away. Let's go. Come on.
Thanks. Dude, it was so bright in that fucking sun. It froze up on me for a second. I was blinking. Yeah, I blinked, yeah. I got it. You got it's just you're on Gannon's inside. Anybody that steps in's dead. Anybody that steps in's dead, Johnny. All right, that's fine. Let's go, boys. That's you, Schmitty! We're good. Leave it, yeah, leave it. Ready, I got it. Yeah. They're going that way. Ready, up now, boys. Up. Now hot, Gannon, hot. Run, Schmitty. You're good. I'm over. Run. Try. Oh. It's close, Schmitty.
5 meters, guys.
5 meter scrum. Looked like a try to me. I don't know. It's a tough call, though. You just said 5 meter scrum. Play. have been cool. I know. I hear it. Missed drop goal attempt. Ready, ready, up. Ready, 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 ready. Up now, up. I got it, I got it. I got you. Yeah, Billy. Go down, go down, go down. Oh. Out of bounds. We'll take it. Yeah. That's you, Jono. Ready, ready, ready. Up now. Low Augustine. Low Augustine. I got it. God.
Man, you got you out there, huh?
Fuck. That's your tackle, Johnny. Yes. Good D. Yeah. Get it, Cannon. Get it, Cannon. Tell him to stop picking it up, Luca. Tell him to get the fucking ball out. Get cooking. Just get cooking, all right? Turn up the big gas. I know. It's all right, but I'm saying the last one I don't care about. Get cooking. Good snap.